bevel, right and left, I use these buttons. These buttons are x-axis movements. This one is for the positive side, this one is for the negative side. This one is for taking it down, y-axis movements. Y positive and y negative. So I use this one to get close, but my speed is the second speed. It's the medium speed, so it's not fast enough. So I should press this one, and you see the movement. I have to get close to this touch. Like this. And I have to touch it. Now, with a slow speed, by this button, the speed is 1, I get closer. I touch the top switch in this angle, and I can set that position with this button. Now, X is set. I go down. And nearly 1.5 millimeters left. The previous switch, I set it with this one. Then I go up. About 1 millimeter higher than the tip of the switch, I set it again with this button. So you see, this movement is set by this button. This movement, down point, is set by this button, and the up point, upwards point, is set by this button. So after all these are done, all these 3 buttons are set, then I go up like this and it stops. Then I close the door, check my values again, and start the grinding. There is another thing that I should add. During the operation, as you see, if you don't hear any sounds, grinding sounds, or you just hear it from the top, but not the chamfer, you can change these values during the operation. Like top width, you can make it 1.4, and then it's gonna start touching the chamfer. Not right now, but next week. If it doesn't, then it means this is smaller than 1.4, but it's not supposed to be. So I can increase the in-feed value from here, like 0.1, then do the grinding. Now this time I'm not pressing the save button because I want to start from the beginning. I press set, then I press set, I'm going to start from the beginning, and now it's going to change. Now it's noisier. See here? I can change this value, top it to 1.3. Now we'll see. button. After this flat, we will hear what is the witness. A little bit noisier in the chamfer. It's better. You can change in-feed value during the grinding. You can change finger speed value. You can change the grinding speed 2 values during the grinding. And if you just want to change the speed, after changing the speed you have to press the save button. But if you want to change the in-feed with the top grinding, you have to do all the teeth the same. So in order to do that, you have to start from the beginning. So if you want to start from the beginning, then you press set. When I press set, you will see what happens now. It goes to 96 again. So by pressing the set button here, you actually start from the beginning. But if you press the save button, it's gonna continue from where it has been. So grinding speed can be changed, like after half of the saw blade is done. Then after half is done, you don't want to start from the beginning, so you press the save button after changing the speed.